I wanted to show you guys this product that I've really been loving for my kids. So this is a kid-friendly body deodorant. This is one with the lemongrass and grapefruit scent, which smells great. It's not overpowering or overly sugary or fruity or anything like that. It just has a nice natural smell. This is all natural, paraben free. You can use this pretty much anywhere on your body. So you can use it on your underarms, thighs, feet, basically anywhere. And it's made safe, it's made clean. I really love this. We have stinky, sweaty kids who do sports and things like that. And even though they're not ready for real deodorant, sometimes they need something that is going to keep that nasty stinkiness at bay. And this product comes in perfectly for that. I also love that they're a woman-owned company too.